We are going to work on transformations. Okay? Page 4. So there are 4 kinds of transformations, 3 of which we are going to do prior to Thanksgiving. So today we're going to talk about what a translation is. Tomorrow we're going to talk about a reflection. Thursday we're going to talk about a rotation. Okay? With all of these, we're going to take a shape, we're going to move it, and it's not going to change shape or size. Okay? Now, a translation is a vertical and or horizontal shift. Some people also call it a slide. So can you write those 2 words on page 4? Okay. Now, I like... You got your notes, please. Okay. Translation. If I underline the SL in translation, that's kind of our hint that it's going to be a slide. We are going to take a figure and we're going to slide it left, right, up, down, and make a new figure. Okay? So do you see, like right here, I have this trapezoid, A, B, C, D. And then I slide it right and then down, and I have a new trapezoid. And what I want you to do is I want you to look at how, if this is where I start, and this is my new trapezoid, what do you notice about the names of the points? Okay, what else? Okay. Okay, there's like a little apostrophe. Okay, that's how we notate that that is the new shape. Okay, so you are going to see something that looks like this. You're going to see X comma Y with an arrow, and you're going to see a number added to X and a number added to K or subtracted. Okay, and that is going to tell you how to move the coordinates. Okay. When you plotted coordinates in your warm-up, X told you to move what direction? So like if I'm going to plot a coordinate X comma Y, X tells me to go which direction? Left or right. So that plus H, that's going to represent our horizontal shift, which is basically telling us we're either going to go right or we're going to go left. When people borrow pencils and don't put them back, I run out. Okay, so what's going to happen? What is that plus K going to represent? Yeah, vertical. Which means we're going to go up or we're going to go down. Okay. How do you think we're going to know the difference between left versus right, up versus down? Any thoughts? If it's going to be an adding or subtracting, we'll know if it is left, right, up, down. Okay? Now, somebody already said, oh, it's still the same size and shape. So when we do a translation, we are still going to have the same size and shape, which means our result is congruent to our original shape, okay? And that's why we talked about congruent figures on Thursday. Hey, Clea, And you should put that away. And I need you to get up and over. Okay, so three things I'm looking for. Okay. Number one, I need you to identify where we're moving the coordinates. Number two, we're actually going to plot the new coordinates. And number three, we're going to name the new coordinates. Okay. So let's look at this right here, this x plus 3. That plus 3 is telling us to move which way 3?
No, wait, I was going to ask for the translation here. What was for this? I didn't see it.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, who wants to tell me that x plus 3?
Not me.
Okay. So first of all, is it right, left, or is it up, down? It's right, left because it's with the x. Since it's a plus, is it going to be right or is it going to be left? Right. Right is our positive. So this means right 3. Y is our up-down variable, our vertical variable. So plus 2 means we're going to go which way 2? Up 2.
But how do we?
I'll show you. Do you have a question about the notation?
No.
Okay. It's right because it's a positive. It's up because it's a positive. Because those directions are, ooh, thank you. Those directions are positive. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to take coordinate A. Here's coordinate A. And I'm going to move right 3 and up 2. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 to the right.
What about 4?
And then 1, 2, up 2. And there is my new A. And I'm going to name it A with an apostrophe.
And we do this for B and C as well?
We'll get there. Okay. The apostrophe just means that's my new shape. We've moved it. Okay. So now, where is that new A? What is that new coordinate? Right here.
Negative 3, 6.
Okay. That coordinate is negative 3, 6. So we're going to write that down. Okay. We knew to go right 3 because of this notation right here. We need to go up 2 because of this notation right here. So now we're going to do the exact same thing with B and the exact same thing with C. So here's our point B. I'm going to go right 1, 2, 3, and from there up 2, and there's my new B. Does anybody disagree with 7-3?
No.
Okay. Now, I know that I'm using little rainbows to count. You do not have to count like that. I see some people just using straight lines to count. That's fine. Some people are using their pencil tip but not actually writing as they count. That's okay too. I'm trying to make it visual for you, but you do what works best for you. Okay? Now let's talk about C. Here's coordinate C. I'm going to move right 3 and up 2 for my new C coordinate. Can somebody answer his question? Is it negative 4, 1?
Yes.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect my new A, B, C so I can see the triangle. And can you tell that we have two congruent triangles? They're just in different places. It kind of does, doesn't it? Okay? If they don't look like they're the same size and shape, then you probably made a mistake. Okay? Sophia, do you have a question? Okay. All right. So let's look at number 2. And I want you to think in number 2, what does x minus 8 mean? What does y minus 7 mean? Just think about it. Don't blurt it, please. Okay. No, you're good. You're good. X minus 8. Which way are we going 8, Colton?
Just 8?
Yep.
Oh, up, yeah, up. Yeah. Marshall said.
It has to be left. Remember, X is left, right.
I didn't know it was negative 8.
Okay, since it's minus 8, that's telling us to go to the left. Over here it was X plus 3, that meant to the right.
Yeah.
X minus 8, we're going to go to the left. Okay, so how about, Colton, we do some redemption. Y minus 7. Which way are we going 7?
Left. Or down.
Okay,
Yeah.
down because it's Y.
Negative.
Okay, it's Y, so it's up or down. Since it's minus 7, we're going to go down. Okay. So, let's start with K. Let's count left 8 and down 7. You ready? Oops. Left 8 and then down 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this time I'm counting with a just like straight line. You can rainbow count, you can use a straight line, you can use the tip of your pencil and count the corners. I don't care. All right, where's our new K?
Is it -6, -4?
No. -7, -4. Yes. It was 1 off. Okay. All right. L, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is this my new L?
Wait, where?
Okay, Marshall, how do we name that coordinate? You don't know? Okay, so we go. So this is how your numbers are correct? Okay, and it didn't go up or down. So what do we call that coordinate if it's left to -6 and then it didn't go up or down? That coordinate is -6, 0. Okay. This is why we did the turkey on Friday. What are you confused about? Yes, it does. So I think you counted 1 too many because it's down 7. So when we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we stop right here. Okay. All right, let's do M. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When we get there, what's that coordinate? X first and then Y.
Is it
-1.
-1,
Negative what?
-5?
Yep, -1, -5. And then if I go left 8 and down 7 from n to get to my new n, that I'm going to notate with n and an apostrophe. Okay, Kayla, what's our new coordinate? N. -5, -6.
Yeah, mine looks somewhat.
Good. Does my purple trapezoid look the same size as the original trapezoid? Excellent. Okay, the biggest thing is number 1, figuring out which direction to move how many, then being able to name the coordinates that you move. Because I know you can count, okay? The counting is not the hard part. It's just making sure we name the coordinates right. So before we do number 3, I'm going to give you a moment. Write down what direction we're going 7 and what direction we're going 3. Write it down when we're done with this example. Does that sound fair?
Yeah.
Okay. You can't see what?
So small.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I can like barely see the numbers. Is this like our homework?
Our homework is over here.
Is
that better?
I don't have glasses. I just can't see it.
Okay. You just put your face closer. Yeah. When we're done with this example, okay?
I don't know.
Okay. George, what do you think about the x minus 7? Which direction should we go 7?
Right.
Since it's minus, we need to go left 7. Okay, and then the y plus 3
It'd be up.
is up 3. So I'm going to give you 2 minutes to move all 4 of those coordinates, left 7 and up 3. Ready, set, go. So, yes, so that's 1, 2. Looks right to me. Does it look like what Marshall has?
Yes.
-6, 2. Yep, sounds good to me.
First one's -3.
So the first one is, so R is this one.
Please be correct.
I think so.
Can I have something sweet?
Aren't you sweet enough? What's wrong?
That's not sweet. I'm so tired and sweet. I don't see a U on my paper. I see M.
Does it look like V? Maybe.
Maybe it's M.
It's a U. Okay. I said when we're done with this example, have we finished it? I know, we're almost there. Okay. Colton, tell me what the new R is.
Like, your coordinates?
Yeah.
I got -6 and 2.
Okay. Did anybody at all notice that if you take the coordinate and then you -7 and add 3, we get to there? Isn't that cool? Okay, that's cool. Armando, give me the new S coordinate.
-1, 0.
-1, 0. Kayla, give me the new T coordinate.
-3, -5.
-3, -5. Memory, the new U coordinate.